I married Mrs. Blaze. We are now married. You may kiss the bride. Come here. Look you up. Yeah, puppy. Get on me. So much fun. I'll put you these ways. Thank man. Turn it all over again. Nico. Keep your ears out. Can you hear that? I can. Sounds like horses and bitches lying. We just want to get rooted, but all we can hear is fucking lies. Hello, my name is Brody, and I am Brody. Hello, I'm a vicious dog. I'll bite your fucking head off, cat. I'm fucking fucking woof 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 fucker.